Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is a live stream. Here is Biti Live. We will check together now what's going on with Bitcoin. For the moment, we see a nice pump to the upside. I have a nice long position, and I showed you this long position here in my live stream. We will check this, what's going on with this long position. I will show you where is my next stop loss, where is my take profit zone, and so on and so on. We will check this all together now. The big question is, will we start in English or will we start in German here? Mike Mouse, hi, good evening. Nice that you're here, Mike Mouse, and you are here to the right time, not too late today. So that's really fine. So guys, please write in the chat, would you like to start with a German TA or would you like to start with an English TA? Wollt ihr mit einer deutschen Analyse starten oder würdet ihr gerne mit der englischen Analyse starten? Schreibt es mir bitte jetzt in den Chat hinein, dann richte ich mich natürlich nach euch und dann geht die Party so ab, wie ihr das gerne hättet. Entweder zuerst mal in Deutsch oder auch zuerst mal in Englisch. Ganz egal wie, lasst es mich bitte wissen. So, okay. Ansonsten schaue ich nur mal, ob hier alles so richtig funktioniert, wie ich das hier so eingerichtet habe. Schaut ganz gut aus. Yes, a perfect spike to the upside, 37,134 for the moment. Really nice for my long position. That's really good, guys. So if no one is writing something in the chat, I will start with the English TA and make the German one after this. No big problem. I will make both today, a German TA and an English TA. And today I would like to start with a nice game. It's the first try of the game and I'm really interested what's going on with this game. But before we are talking of all these big things, we will start now with our analysis. So guys, let's start with the English TA. Ingredients, yes, English may be better. Okay, it doesn't matter. First English, first German. I will try my best in English now for you. And we are starting the English TA now. So guys, give me a second. And we are starting here with this stuff. Okay, let's go, guys. So hello and welcome, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is your English TA for Bitcoin. We will check what's going on with Bitcoin for the day. I have a nice long position. I will show you everything for this long position. I will show you where's the best moment to take profit in my opinion. And I will show you what's my position, how much profit I have for the moment, and so on and so on. So guys, I think it's really interesting to watch this video today. Let's go. And guys, I'm live today, so maybe there are some questions here and I would like to answer it really. I really like to answer it, guys. So, okay, let's start with the A. Now let's go. So, the English Bitcoin TA. We are starting with this one, Satoshi. Hey, yes, everything is perfect with my trade and he's still open. I will show you what's going on with my trade, Satoshi Germany. Now we are starting with our TA. Here is CoinMarketCap. And what can we see here? Really nice, guys, really nice. My trade is working perfectly. 8% in the plus in 24 hours. We will check this soon. You can see Bitcoin is going down in 11% in 7 days. Yes, of course, we have a bad bearish chart picture for all or for the most coins here. Look at this, a bloodbath. Everything is red here. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. Look at this. Ethereum is going down 21% in the 7 days. Bitcoin only 10%. So the Bitcoin dominance is growing. You can see it. Bitcoin dominance 42% and Ethereum 17.5%. So really interesting. We can see today Ethereum is going up more as Bitcoin. In the week, Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin. The Binance coin is going up a little bit in the week. Bam, really down 19%. Cardano ADA in the week 28%. What the hell? Solana 31%. XRP 18%. Terra Luna is going down 7%. So guys, every coin is going down here. The most coins are going down. Some coins are going up today. Really nice. Avalanche 16%, 15.5%. What's going on here? Near Protocol today 15.6%. But look at the week, 32% in the minus. Damn, guys. So this is the big overview for all coins. Let's check where's IOTA. IOTA is going down 11%. It's in a plus 11% in the day, 12% in the day. But in the week, IOTA is going down also really hard, 25%. So if we are watching the fear and greed index, what can we see? Yes, the extreme fear is in the market. It's the biggest fear ever. No, not ever. It's the biggest fear here in the last year, I think. We never saw extreme fear with 12 points. Really, really heavy. Yesterday, 13 points. Last week, extreme fear, 24 points. And guys, you know it. If we are starting with extreme fear, if we are starting to come closer to my support points, I am hunting the bottoms. And yes, I was starting hunting the bottom yesterday with a trade, and I will check this here really soon for you guys. Here is the Bitcoin dominance. What's going up? What's going down? What's going up? What's going on? Bitcoin dominance. This is a big downtrend. Yes, I know it, guys. It's a little downtrend. And what happened? We broke out sideways and now really nice to the upside with the dominance. We are over our important middle line. The middle line is the support. And yes, this one is holding. Now, let me check on this market cap dominance. Check here what's going on with our Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. One is this one. What can we see? For the moment, no really interesting fight. We are here between both of these Fibonacci lines. It's not so important. So let me check one thing. Let me check the bigger one. Let me check the Fibonacci from this lowest point here to this point. Sorry, let's remove this one first. Okay, now let's check this one from the lowest point to the highest point. What can we see now? Let's zoom in a little bit more. Where are we fighting? And here you can see this is our next big target, 43.6%. So as long, guys, remember, as long as we're going up with the dominance, it is better to trade Bitcoin as altcoins. And for the moment, it is better to trade, and it was a perfect long position for me on the downside. Now let's go to this one. This is Codex. We check now what's going on with Codex and what is telling us the price prediction the next 7 days. And Codex is telling us, yes, we will go up maybe to 40,000 US dollar until the end of January. This would be nice. This would be also really nice for my long position. I hope my stop loss would not sell me out here. But they are telling us maybe we're going down a little bit, down to 36,000. And after this, maybe until the end of January, up to 40,000 US dollar. This would be not the baddest stuff, guys. So what is going on here? The sentiment is, yes, bearish. You can see it. We are bearish, 62% bearish, and 38% bullish. We can see it here. The most things are telling us, yes, sell, 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 sell. Okay, we know it. But that's the point, guys. If we are hunting the bottom, everything is telling us we should sell. Everything is telling us, to our brain, to our heart, to our atomic, to our left toe, to our left little finger, to our left little toe. Everything is telling us, no, everything is sell here. Don't buy. But guys, it's important to buy on the downside, and it's important to sell on the upside. And if you are hunting the bottom like me for the moment, yes, it's possible to lose some money, but you can make big money, guys. I will show you soon. So the next point is what is going on here, the support points. The pivot support points are here. The next support points, what we have is 34,100, 31,500, and 30,000 to the downside. Buy the blood. Yes, Angry Higgins. Buy the blood and sell the moon. Sounds nice. Okay, resistance points. The first resistance point, 38,000. The next one, 39,700. And the biggest resistance point now is, with the most strength here, 42,300. So I'm interested now, guys, what's going on? What's going on with Bitcoin? What is telling us? What is predicting us? Codex. And this one is predicting us. We will go up until January the 30th, up to 40,500. Then down again a little bit. And let's click on show more. Let's check the magic. Let's the magic happen. And what is telling us this one? February, 39,000, 40,000, 40,600, 43,000. February the 5th, 43,000, the plus about 16%, 44,800. Codex is predicting us, yes, guys, Bitcoin to the moon. Until February the 24th, we will see 51,576. Guys, we know it. We are looking on Codex since longer time. And yes, we know it, guys. It's not the perfect prediction. We know it. It's impossible. It's impossible to make a perfect prediction. Everyone who is telling you guys, I am making you every time a perfect prediction is a liar. It's impossible. Believe me, that's not possible. But we can use this stuff also for maybe to check the next long or downside, the next trade to the upside or to the downside. We can check a lot of things. We can check a lot of indicators. And one of this is Codex. One of 100 indicators is Codex. In the summary, it's telling us, okay, maybe we are going up to 50,000 here until February the 20th and a little bit more, 51,500. But these guys can change every day. One bad news from Elon Musk. He has a really big pickle on his ass. And yes, we have a big problem on the world. Everything is going down. Everyone is crying and selling everything. So guys, attention. The news are really important. China is banning Bitcoin every day since years. I'm trading over 5 years, 6 years, 5 years. And every day is China banning Bitcoin mining and so on and so on. Guys, the news are really dangerous. And if we will see some news here, everything will change here in a second, guys. Okay, that's this part here of Codex. Now let's go deeper. Let's check Coin 360. What coins are the biggest losers? And you can see Luna is losing on the day, 3.4%. Algo is going down. Leo Day is going down. HD is going down. The biggest winners, Solana, AVAX, DOT, Near, Wheat, STX, Phantom is going up. EGLD, XTZ, FTT, Mana is going up. LRC is going up. Yes. And the most things are green. And that's nice, guys. That's a nice picture here. I love green pictures. I hate red pictures. But guys, as a trader, we need red pictures. We need downgoing prices. We need low prices. And we need the next pump. And we need to sell low and buy high. No, we need to buy low and sell high, guys. On my starting, as I started trading, I made it. I made it so perfectly, guys. I bought really high and I sold so low and I lost so much money. So we have to change this thing. But technically here, for TradingView is telling us here on the day, week, month. Oh, the month is neutral, a sell and a buy. So that's really unsure. The week is also buy on the oscillators, neutral, the summary and moving average is telling us sell. Other day is telling us sell, okay, strong sell, moving averages, and the oscillators, okay, they are neutral. 4 hour. And now we have a buy on the 4 hour time frame. I hope for this. I hope for more pump to the upside. That's my long position. I need a nice long. 2 hours buy, 1 hour buy, 30 minutes buy, strong buy. Yes, this is looking nice. So one of the next stuffs, TradingView, is looking nice. If you are long, if you are still in the short position, it's not so nice for you. Here is Bitcoin, and here is now the next big stuff. What's going on with Bitcoin? Here is a clear chart picture. Guys, first of all, I'm always showing you this because it's so important in my opinion. That's not the right one. This one here is a really important stuff because it was a nice support. Remember, we lost support. Yes, we are making a little pump, guys, but all in all, remember, we are still bearish. Remember, shoulder, head, shoulder. I know, guys, I'm showing you this on every video, but it's so important in my opinion. We lost shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. We have a bad target to the downside, about 15,000. That's the technical target. Not I'm telling you, not Biti is telling you, say 15,000. No, guys, this is the technical target for the shoulder, head, shoulder. You know it, guys. We also have maybe an M pattern, guys. I'm not speaking about this today, but remember, we always have to watch an M pattern maybe, and maybe we'll go down more. That's possible. It's Bitcoin. Everything is possible, guys. But I'm not here today for telling you these old stories. I'm here today for telling you new stories. What is the new story? Let's go in the 50-minute time frame. Let's start with this one. I told you guys I made a long position. Why did Biti make a long position here in the falling knife? He's always telling us, attention, guys, a falling knife, you can cut off your fingers. And Biti, you made a long position. I showed you on my videos for a longer time. Let me show you, is this video here for the moment. Hey, for viewers, hello and welcome. I showed you on YouTube On Twitch, we have 41 viewers. Really nice. I showed you here on my videos. Let me check it. Let me check it. Here it is. Videos. Thank you guys for 2,160 abos. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. I need you. And I told you here, Bitcoin, my next trade, the bottom hunting. This was yesterday. I told you here for a longer time, bottom, this was for about 2 days. Bitcoin bottom, 32.7K, and a lot of nice bottoms here. And what is happening now? Why is Biti making a long position? I can show you this here in this chart picture. First of all, yes, remove everything. The next picture, nice parallel channel. A nice parallel channel to the upside, from the upside to the downside. What happened? First of all, Biti, you are making it really, really bad. It's not a perfect thing. You have to make it green because a parallel channel is always a green one. Guys, if you are drawing, bullish stuff is green, bearish stuff is red. That's normal. So, One Tuner Boy, hey, greetings. Nice that you're here and nice that you're writing in the chat. Hi, I'm live. If you would like to know if it is live, yes, it is live, and you are live on stage all over the world, in Russia, in Paris, in Madrid, in Dubai, everywhere. You are live now with me on my live stream. The audience is listening and watching. Okay, guys, why Biti made a long position? Yes, it's really easy, guys, because of this nice parallel channel to the upside. I told you, attention, attention, we may see a nice point to the downside. This could be a bottom. And yes, we did not hit it perfectly, but yes, we did hit it perfectly. Sorry, guys, I have to make it a little bit better here because this is the point. We have to use this point because this was the important point for me to make this parallel channel. So I have to make it like this one here. It was not a really, really perfect thing, but guys, I made a long position on 33,000. I showed you this on my live stream. I drawed you this here on this point when I made this long position. So guys, if you're watching this one, if you're watching my live stream, you can see what's my position on the most things. Not always, but if I make bigger positions or bigger trades, or if we see maybe a trend changing. It's not a trend changing, guys. No, no, no. If you see a little longer, so I will write it here. And you can see Biti bought 33,000. My stop loss was 33,290 after a time. I thought it's going up and up and up more. And this is the start of bottom hunting. So I'm telling you this one always in my live stream. So if you are a trader, you are welcome to watch this live stream on Twitch and on YouTube, guys. Move on. Biti, you are making commercial for yourself. We would like to know what's the next thing. Yes, okay, I'm speaking with myself. Yes, that's nice. What a boring thing. So 33,000 was my long position. Now let's zoom in a little bit more. And what's going on now? We will like to know what's going on now, Biti. Hey, Rudy. Rudy, it's bumping right now. Yes, and I'm in a long. I'm really, really happy. Rudy, you're welcome and nice that you are here. And Rudy, thank you. Thank you so much for every comment. Rudy is making on every video a comment, and I'm really happy about this. Rudy, thank you for your support. Guys, you don't have to pay me something. You don't have to give me a big donation. It's a really big support if you are clicking on the like button, if you make an abo on YouTube, or if you make a nice comment. It's a really, really big support for me. So guys, thanks. Crypto Sharknado, what's this Spinterlands link about? I will make today a live first try for this, Crypto Sharknado. I will check it, and I hope every one of you will check this also, and maybe we can make some really nice things in this game. So this is all about this one. So now, guys, the big question is now, yes, I made a long position on 33,000. It was a really perfect hit, a little bit over this one. And I took my stop loss position here again, and up and up and up. And my stop loss position was under 33,800. It is for the moment under 33,800. But I'm putting now my stop loss position here on a higher point. I will put it now for the moment, if you can see on this point, because it is the last low. You also can put it on this point, but I will put it on this point because the big question is what's going on now. That's only one thing. That's not all, guys. I will show you a little bit more. 15-minute time frame, my long position, and now let's move on. What's going on here? First of all, we need now a higher high. That's the first important stuff. We saw a spike to 37,566. Now we are making one about this one, 37,500. It's not a higher high. We need a higher one, guys. This is dangerous for the moment, and we need to climb up more and more and more. Fidefis, are you talking about Looney? No, sorry, I'm not talking about Looney. Mid92, Crypto Division, hi and welcome. You're here over YouTube on Twitch. That's nice, and I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube. That's a little bit confusing, but nice that you are here. You're welcome. So these are the big things. My new stop loss 35,700. It is this point, okay, and I will make a nice plus here. It doesn't matter what's happening now, guys. I'm having a nice plus here from 33,000 up to this point. I'm in a plus with 7.7%, without the leverage, with leverage, X10, 70%, and so on, and so on, and so on. This is a really nice bottom hunting, guys. It's a really nice thing to bottom, to hunt the bottom here. And if I'm showing you this parallel channel, the upsides, or these support zones, this importance, you can always, guys, set a buy position on the downside and set a stop loss position under this. So if you are going down again here a little bit under this 32,800 maybe, or something about this, you're out of the trade. If you're dumping more, if it is a falling knife, don't cut your fingers. Set a stop loss under this. Yes, you're losing per Bitcoin $200 or $300 if you are trading 0.01 Bitcoin. It's not so much, but this is the way how you can make money. You can lose here a little bit, okay, with this stop loss. You can lose here, let me show you, maybe about 1% or 0.9%, but you can make it if you are in the right direction. This one, what I made here, and this is about 7.4%. It's a better ratio, guys. AJ, yes, he's live. Confirm it from Dubai. Perfect trade, Biti. Hey, welcome, AJ. Special greetings to Dubai. One time, I think we all will drink some nice cold beer in Dubai. I hope so. Rudy, subscribe. The analyses are great. Thank you, Rudy. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, guys. So let's move on. This is now the next thing. This is the little trade. But let's check a little bit more the bigger picture before we make it. 50-minute time frame, important now. That's also important stuff. This line, you can also set a stop loss for the moment under this EMA 200. If you are watching this live and if you're watching with a lot of time, you can always put your stop loss higher and higher and higher to use this nice trade. Guys, don't be too greedy. Use the stop loss because it's possible that we are going down here more and more and more. So it's better to take a little money out of this and not to lose all of this once again. And you are going down here. Stop loss is on the downside. You lost all this and you made no nice money. That's not good, guys. So, ingredients looks like inverse. Tres amigos on your 1 hour if we reach 38,000. These tres amigos are not a valid pattern. I'm not watching these tres amigos a lot, but Angry, please, if you have some time, please make a little drawings of these tres amigos and write me a link here in the chat. I will show it the guys here. This would be really nice. So this is the picture. Ribbon band is now on the 15-minute time frame, our friend. You can see it. EMA 200 is now our friend. If you are in a long position like me, you are now in a nice position, guys. You can sit back and relax and can watch what's going on, can put your stop loss higher and higher, and you can earn money. That's nice. So enough from this, enough on clapping my shoulders while I made a nice long position, guys. Not always it's going so nice like this one, but guys, yes, end of this. Let's check the next thing now. What's going on the 50-minute time frame with the relative strength index? Crypto Sharknado, we are the Tres Amigos. Yes, Sharknado, Angry Higgins, and I, we are the 3 Tres Amigos. You're right. So this is RSI. The RSI is really high. Attention, guys. You can see it. And we have a nice support line coming from the downside to the upside. This is this point, and yes, it's a nice support. And attention, guys, on the 50-minute time frame, we also have here a bad resistance line. So this could be a really dangerous situation. It's the 15-minute time frame. I know it, guys. But if you're in a little long position like me, this is really important, because if you're losing this nice support line, it's also maybe a point to make a stop loss position like this one in the EMA, like this one with the lowest point. So you can see there are a lot of signs for making a stop loss position, guys. Not only once, there are a lot of signs. And that's not all for the moment. What's going on with the MACD? So, moving average, MACD. Here is the MACD, and this one is still bullish. 15-minute time frame. We saw a nice cross. The blue line is over the brown line, but we are going down a little bit with the volume. You can see it. We are not dark green, we are light green, and yes, we're going down a little bit. But for the moment, it's not so dangerous. A lot of support here. That's nice. Let's go out a little bit on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, RSI really high. Guys, attention, attention, the RSI is high. The price is high and the RSI is high. And look at this. We are here really, really close about this resistance line, guys. So attention, attention, a little bit up here maybe. And after this, it's possible to fall down again. And the big question is, where is the next support? If we are watching the RSI, ooh, it could go down here really low again, guys. So attention, attention. Use your stop losses, not for going down here, maybe to 33,000 again, make a double bottom, something like this. No, we will take this trade to the upside. We will take this money. Not the market makers should take this money. We should take this money, guys. So, inverse shoulder head shoulder. Okay, guy. Okay, Higgy, I know you. The inverse shoulder head shoulder on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, we will check this now. Yes, we will check this now. I was sitting on my brain benefits, lol. So what's going on? This is the 1 hour time frame. Angry Higgins, not bad. Look at this shoulder head. The right shoulder is a little bit not the best one. It's a little bit like the you know, guys, the Glöckner for Notre Dame. It's not the best shoulder, but maybe if we are drawing a line from here, it's not so important here. It's not so perfect here. From here to here, no, we should making it to the bodies. Maybe like this one, it may be an inverse shoulder head shoulder. It's not a beautiful inverse shoulder head shoulder, but okay, let's talk about this. If we can break out here over this, what can we see? A nice next target. The target of this one, inverse shoulder head shoulder, or the tres amigos, like he is saying it, could be here. We can make it like this one, guys. We can make a line from here to the downside. And that's always a resistance. So this zone here is maybe the next target zone if we can break out over this trend line. This would be the next big thing to watch. It's not so bad, guys, on the 1 hour time frame. Higgy, thank you for this. I love it to make this live because with your help, guys, we have more information. We have maybe more patterns to watch. We have more targets to the upside. I love it. Thanks. Rudy, I see a coffee cup. You see a coffee cup. Let me check. I see a lot of things. But a coffee cup, Rudy? Yeah, okay. We can check one thing. We can remove these drawings. We can remove this ribbon band, but it's not a really nice coffee. It is an ugly coffee. But let me show you. Maybe we can see something like this one here to the downside, and here it was a little downgoing handle. But here is no coffee cup. It is here. I'm not so really amused about this, and no, guys, no, Rudy. But if we are watching this as a coffee cup, we have here also a target to the upside. It's about 40,500, but it's not a really beautiful thing. Okay. Aggregates, like you said, inverse head and shoulder is not that nice, but at least it's a resistance and trend line. Yes, and the trend lines are really, really important. That's it. That's really, really, really true. The next thing, what is on the 1 hour time frame, we have here to watch this stuff, guys. That's a next little bearish downtrend channel, this one. And what can we see for the moment? We see a bad fight with the middle line. That's one thing that's loud and clear here in the 1 hour time frame, and that's, in my opinion, a really important stuff to watch. Why? You know it, guys. I love my middle line. I love the middle line here. It was a perfect fight with this one. We had here a downgoing point like this here, like this one. Now we saw a fight with the middle line once. Now we are watching it twice. And that's one of the biggest things, in my opinion, to watch, guys. Can we break out here over this middle line? Yes or no? We have a nice little uptrend. That's not so important, but it is. And yes, you can see it. Downtrend, parallel channel, uptrend, parallel channel, a little one. And that is so the biggest things to watch in the 1 hour time frame, in my opinion. Also, yes, we can watch this inverse shoulder head shoulder. Yes, of course. But I think it's really important now to watch these points. We need to make a next confirmed closing candle over 37,100. That's important. We need to make a next confirmed closing candle over this middle line. Crypto Sharknado, that's no cup. Yes, I know it. It's a ugly cup. It's a damaged cup. Okay, this is the next stuff in the 1 hour time frame. What I'm watching here in my next in my trade, in my long position here. The next big thing to the upside, also watch this parallel channel to the upside, is about 41,000. That's also about the target of this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, and so on and so on. And yes, okay. 1 hour time frame indicators. Now let's go into the indicators. What is going on with the golden death cross? So golden cross, death cross. Yes, we are in a death cross zone. I saw this, I told you this yesterday in my video also. Attention guys, we are fighting between both of these lines. The green one, the red one. We are here in the middle. So the red one is the next big resistance lines, guys. Resistance line. We need to break out over the red one. It's the SMA 200, SMA 200. That's the resistance. And here the green one is the SMA 50. And the big question is now, what can we see next? 38,700, or will we reject here on the middle line down again? That's one of the big things why I'm watching this now here, the fight on the middle line. Fight on the middle line, and let's check the EMA ribbon. It is here, our friend. Yes, nice. A nice friend on the downside. So now the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame is here. We see now a perfect fight with the ribbon band on the 4 hour time frame. Where is the golden cross, death cross? Too much lines here. So we have the green line here. It's the same position, 38,700. We have the red line to the upside. It's not so important for the moment. And yes, we are still in a death cross zone. One thing that's really important in my opinion in the 15-minute time frame. What's going on here? You know it, guys. The golden cross, death cross is more important on the bigger time frames. But if you are trading this one on the 15-minute, it's also a nice thing to watch, because we saw here a death cross. After this, a dump to the downside, a laggy indicator, a golden cross, and after the golden cross, the next stuff to the upside, the next pump to the upside. And now the big question on the 15-minute time frame, red line is here as a support and green line is here as a support. Okay, this is the stuff. So yes, we have a golden cross, guys. Nice. It's only the 15-minute time frame, but is a little golden cross. Crypto Sharknado, I think it's 32,600. Yesterday's low on certainly W Fed decision. The Fed decision, okay. Third backtest of downward channel, then up. You think we're going down once again to the parallel channel to the downside? We are retesting it, maybe 32,000. Yes, it's also possible. Why not to see a retest, the third one, and after this to the upside? But I saw a lot of volume here. I'm still a little bit bullish here because a lot of volume came in here. I saw nice rejection here on this parallel channel and also on my big parallel channel here. So I'm not so bearish as the last days, because a little reject here and a little reaction. So okay, that's this stuff. And now guys, let's check 4 hour time frame. Once again, let's go in a little bit more. What's going on here with the RSI, Relative Strength Index? So here we are. Yes, resistance is here. It is bullish, all in. No. I'm not a moon boy, never all in. A little bitty in. Here is the next resistance line on the 4 hour time frame. Yes, a little space to the upside. So why not to jump up more? Why not to jump up over the middle line? Please, come on. I'm too bullish for the day. I know it, guys. But for the most times, I'm telling you, double M pattern. We're going down to 10,000. Shoulder head shoulder. We're going down to 15,000. Let me tell you a bullish thing today, guys. Let's go up a little bit. Damn. That day. So what is telling us the day? We have a lot of space on the day to the upside. This is our resistance here. A little space to the upside. And if we will see a nice jump over this one, this could be the next start of our bull trend. But I am not telling you about a bull trend for the moment. That's not right, guys. That's a little bottom hunting, not more, guys. Death cross on the daily, yes, we know it, a bad thing. We were maybe going down more and more and more. The big question, in my opinion, is now, where is the end? The only end, my friend. We can use now one stuff. Let me check. We can use now our Bitcoin key price levels. Let me check. The biggest one is 30,000. Yes, okay, that's easy. 30,000. Why 30,000? We can make here on 30,000 a nice support area, in my opinion. This one here. 30,000 down to 28,900 is one of the biggest support zones on the downside. Yes, we can see it. We saw a lot of spikes here. We saw a lot of volume here all the time. So this is one of the biggest things. It's possible to go down more and more. Yes, why not? We are in a bad bearish downtrend on the bigger picture. Don't forget it, guys. If we can break out from this, this would be a bullish stuff. This would be, in my opinion, if we can break out from this, a next nice bullish move to the upside. We saw it here. We saw it here. This was a nice parallel channel to the upside here. This one. It was a perfect trade, and here to the downside once again. And the big question is now, was this the end or no? Crypto Sharknado, I'd like to see a run, but I can't deny that saw traders settle up today, going into fat decision, and Asia takes the low. Yes, possible. Rudy, I have to eat supper. The woman is calling. Have a nice evening, Rudy. Bye-bye. The woman is calling. Rudy, eating, come on. So this is our picture for Bitcoin here. This is our big thing, in my opinion. Remember, shoulder head shoulder. Yes, I showed you this so often here. Yes, it is a wonderful picture here. And the bigger thing is, in this opinion, A, B, and C. Is C 30,000 or was C here? Everyone is watching for 30,000. So guys, you know it. If everyone is watching for 30,000, the market maker will maybe not give us 30,000. Or they are telling us, yes, 30,000, and then the next big dump to the downside. And the next big dump to the downside could be, remember guys, could be 15,000, because it's still the target of our shoulder head shoulder. This one here. Guys, that's the update for Bitcoin. That's the update for my trade. You know now a lot of things. I think you can use this really nice. It's half an hour for today, 30 minutes. Sorry for this long video. But guys, I think it was important for you, and I hope you can use it for our own trading opportunities. Guys, I will make a little break. After this, we will make a German update. So guys, give me some minute. Let's take some drink, cup of coffee, and I'm back here in 2 minutes. See you guys.
System activated.